Hello students, welcome to online lecture of Kids Planet High School. This lecture is for class Jr.Kg, subject General Knowledge, topic Name of Birds. Children, today we will learn Name of Birds. Let us start. The name of this bird is hen. 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 The name of this bird is parrot. 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 The name of this bird is pigeon. 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 The name of this bird is peacock. 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 The name of this bird is crow. 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 The name of this bird is sparrow. 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 The name of this bird is eagle. 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 The name of this bird is owl. 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 Children, let us revise it one more time. Hen. Parrot. Pigeon. Peacock. Crow. Sparrow. Eagle. Owl. So children, today we have learned name of bird.